The Samsung Notebook 9 300E is a compact ultrabook released around 2015-2016. It often suffers from worn keyboard keys, especially letters, arrows, and numbers. As Samsung no longer offers official repairs for this end-of-life model, this video will guide you through DIY key replacement. We'll cover essential tools, step-by-step instructions, and tips to restore functionality. First, identify which keys need replacement. Common issues include keys that are sticky, broken, or missing. Aftermarket keycaps and scissor mechanisms are readily available on platforms like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. Ensure you purchase parts specifically designed for the Samsung 300E's scissor switch keyboard. Kits with pre-cut stabilizers are recommended for number keys, used to safely pop off keycaps without damage. For precise handling of small parts. To remove screws securing the keyboard. For cleaning dust and debris. Prevents static electricity damage. Loosens adhesive, use carefully. Power off and unplug the laptop. If possible, remove the battery. Flip the laptop over and remove the bottom screws, typically 10 to 12 screws. Carefully detach the bottom panel to access the keyboard. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Locate and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. To remove individual keycaps, use a plastic pry tool. Insert it gently under the edge of the keycap and apply slight pressure to pop it off. Be very careful not to damage the scissor mechanism underneath. Once removed, you can replace with a new keycap or the entire scissor mechanism if it's damaged. Number keys often use stabilizer bars to ensure even pressure across the key surface. These metal bars span from the keycap to mounting holes on the PCB, preventing wobbling and sticking. When replacing a number key, carefully detach the stabilizer bar from the old keycap. Use a pry tool to gently lift the bar from its mounting points without damaging the mechanism. Now attach the stabilizer bar to the new keycap. Make sure the bar is properly aligned with the mounting points on both the keycap and PCB. Misalignment can cause the key to stick or wobble. Once aligned, press the new keycap into place firmly. Test the key by pressing it multiple times to ensure smooth operation without sticking or wobbling. This completes the stabilizer bar replacement for number keys. Now reassemble the laptop in reverse order. Start by reconnecting the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard connector, ensuring it seats properly without force. Next, reattach the bottom panel to the laptop chassis, aligning it properly with the screw holes. Secure the bottom panel by tightening all the screws in a crisscross pattern. Use moderate force to avoid damaging the threads. Power on the laptop and begin testing. Press each key to ensure it types correctly and feels stable. Pay special attention to number keys with stabilizer bars for even pressure and arrow keys for proper directional indicators. If a key doesn't work after reassembly, double-check the ribbon cable connection and the alignment of the scissor mechanism. For sticky keys, use compressed air to clean any debris. Consider using silicone lubricant for keys that are frequently used. Remember, DIY repairs save you money, with costs typically under $30, but always verify part compatibility before starting.